Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Inna a'tainakal kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar. I am Samia. I am studying Dr. Hasanullah Darul Quran Mohila Madrasa in class 4. Today I will talk about the importance of madrasa education. Inshallah, the age of human civilization is as long as the age of education. As Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran, that is, I taught Adam the name of everything. And this education means pure upon people, education must change people. If it is in the name of Allah, Allah Ta'ala says, recite in the name of your Lord, who created you. From this, it can be understood that Islamic education is acceptable to Allah Ta'ala. The center of what is madrasa. Besides looking at the modern society, it can be seen that most of the crimes are committed by people, because the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said that the religion of Islam and this madrasa, it is a continuity. Bangla, mathematics, English, Arabic, Hadith, history of Islam and truth, to give people fullness of knowledge. And the madrasa of it is a Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.